How to delete Fiverr account permanently. If any day you would like to delete Fiverr account permanently on your Android device, then just follow the following steps. First of all, you have to make sure that you have downloaded and installed the Fiverr application on your mobile device. And if you have downloaded and installed the Fiverr application on your mobile device, you have to search Fiverr on your very mobile device. In order to do so, you have to go to the search section of your mobile device and then search Fiverr out there. After you search Fiverr, you can find the very application of Fiverr on your mobile device. Now you have to tap on the Fiverr application in order to launch Fiverr on your mobile device. After you tap on Fiverr on your mobile device, Fiverr will be launched and you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the account section that is on the down right portion. You have to tap on that and you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the next step, that is the step of tapping on the option of account. You have to tap on the option of the account, and after you tap on the account there, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the option of deactivation and deletion. When you tap on deactivation and deletion, you can see an interface like this. Now since you want to delete your Fiverr account permanently, you have to go to the option of delete account and tap on delete account. After that, you have to go to continue to account deletion. After that, you can see an interface like this. Again, you have to tap on continue to account deletion. Now you can tap on any of the thing. For example, I'm leaving because I have another Fiverr account or I can't find what I need on Fiverr. After you tap on that, you can go to the option of delete account, and after you tap on the option of delete account, you have to tap delete here, and after you tap delete here, you can tap on the option of the delete account, and this way your very account of Fiverr will be deleted permanently from your very Android device. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.